Hey guys, I'm Kyle Eilerman.
And I'm Lauren Schatzberger.
And this is We Watch Whedon.
He's a big Joss Whedon fan.
I am, and she knows nothing.
Asterisk about Joss Whedon.
This episode is pretty ridiculous.
More than the last one? This is less ridiculous than the last one. How?
Child into every generation is born one who must run the annual talentless show. You cannot escape your destiny. Principal Snyder.
So, we think school events are stupid, and we think authority figures are the new
Enter
fun.
Principal Snyder.
No, we don't. Well, unless you do.
I think I just found 3 eager new participants for the talent show.
What?
No?
Please? Oh, give me the wig. Ever since I was little. What
The
happened?
wig.
I saw a dummy, it gave me the wig. There wasn't a story there.
Dummy vision.
Hello?
I will be flesh.
Reach into the hat, and out comes.
Nothing.
How about you and I do a little rehearsing on our own, honey?
Hey,
You know what they say. Once you go wood, nothing's as good.
Okay, Morgan. We get the joke.
Kids. I don't like them.
I feel like I would move away from this town if I had children in school.
Josh, yeah.
Or I'd at least move them to a different school.
Move them to a different school. Maybe homeschool them.
Does that mean anything to you?
Creep factor is also heightened. It could be anyone. It could be me. It's not them.
All I can think is, it could have been me.
We can drink.
I'm sorry. Look, I didn't mean to make you mad.
No, I'm.
What? No.
Him.
Fingerprints would be in so many different places. I just thought about this.
Yeah.
Do you need something here?
Oh, yeah. Right. A friend wanted me to get something out of his case.
It's not in there.
Get some sleep. You'll feel better in the morning. Good plan. What?
Look, I'm sorry. Your hair.
There's something wrong with my hair? Oh my god.
Sandra was right. It worked like a charm.
I knew that was gonna happen.
No one else notices this. Tends to be that way.
Well, everybody else is really into learning about the Monroe Doctrine, so, I mean, wouldn't we?
I'll go find Morgan. You watch the dummy.
Bye-bye now. I'm completely inanimate.
I'm concerned for him now.
Red Rob! Red Rob!
Principal Snyder.
Looking for something? I'm not sure how safe it is for a girl like yourself to be here, alone.
Well, I was just leaving. And I know how to take care of myself.
I hate when the chandeliers fall on me.
Especially when they're footage that they speed up just to make it look like it's falling faster.
I know, it's the worst.
You lost, and now you'll never be human.
Yeah, well, neither will you.
What? Because you thought I was the demon.
Who can blame me for thinking? Look at you. You're strong, athletic, limber, nubile.
Creepy.
In any case, now that this demon's got the heart and brain, he has to keep the human form he's in for another 7 years.
My sense of welcome changed.
You're the Slayer? I knew a Slayer in the 30s. Korean chick. Very hot. We're talking muscle. Man, we had some times. Of course, if you want to snuggle up and bump me.
So that horny dummy thing really isn't an act, is it?
Nope.
Look.
Check out those ears.
This means that whatever's out there still needs a healthy, intelligent brain.
In other words, I'm safe.
And it's going to be looking for the smartest person around.
It's with you.
No!
You could calculate the.
What could a demon possibly want from me?
What's the square root of 841?
29.
The way
Demons
that
do a lot of math?
I mean, math is horrible, so I guess that makes sense.
Pretty cool, huh?
Maths are hard.
Giles can handle himself. I mean, he is really smart.
That just now dawned on him? That was a little late.
I love all the misdirection in this episode. Which is fantastic, given that the one all along was the magician.
Nice transition.
And now for the big finish.
What are you doing?
It's not enough. He'll come back. You have to get the heart, then all of this will be over.
Let me.
I got it. Thanks.
It makes the same noise that a vampire makes when it gets staked.
It's over.
I don't get it.
Madness and stabbing pain and memory of ill deeds I have done.
See? Better.
Better.
Nice twist though, right?
Yes, I did like that. I was like, that guy. And then I was like, no, it wasn't that guy.
So overall, what'd you think?
I liked it. It was an entertaining episode. The twist was good. Good stuff. I liked it.
I like that for once they had to save Giles.
Yes.
So the kids had to come together to save Giles. They gotta mix it up every once in a while.
Every once in a while they gotta
Yeah.
put somebody else in peril.
I don't know who's in trouble next, but we will find out next week.
We're gonna find out.
Tune in next week, guys. This has been another great episode of We Watch Whedon.
We done watched it.